Welcome back, guys. We are here with a new video. Hope you enjoy. Stay safe.
Because they probably make millions off bribes.
Yeah, 100%. It's crazy, man, honestly, when you think about it.
Yeah. There's another guy I watch. I don't watch him too much. He does like voice changer. What the fuck?
Is it the guy who pretends to be like
What is this van doing?
Yeah, not a clue. But he pretends to be like an old woman.
Yeah.
Oh, you fucker! What the fuck was that for?
Sorry.
You blind?
I know, sorry, I just thought you...
Fuck's sake!
I thought you'd gone.
Hey?
I thought you'd gone.
Well, it's a good idea to look before you move, isn't it?
I did look, but I thought
No, you didn't.
But I did. I looked that way and I
That's
looked
off
this way.
your car, I think.
Change details.
Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake. I've never been rear-ended on a motorbike.
2 seconds, mate. I've got music on. Turn it down. What'd you say, buddy?
You want to take off that video on YouTube, the fat pie shat it, because I didn't shit it.
Was that you?
Aye, it was
How you did? Because when you came here and you were like, who the fucking, then I asked,
I
what?
watched the video,
And you-
everyone's sticking up for
You
us.
backed up? No,
Everyone's
they know.
sticking for us.
No, they know.
No,
No, they know.
We were 10 lines ahead of you, we watched it.
Who gives a fuck, mate? You're still a dickhead. You know what I mean?
Still a dickhead.
Coming up next to me to fucking try and ram into me and that. Honestly, beat it. Andrew, you bobby.
Oh, he's still
Fucking idiot. Fucking idiots. You're still going to be on YouTube, by the way.
Sorry, it's fine, I'm on YouTube, that's totally fine.
Aye.
Fine.
Enjoy it, you fat pie. Oh, shut it, you banger back. You fucking ball bag. Go and suck off your pal in the car game. Honestly, beat it.
One in the country.
Yeah.
And this bolting bolts.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
Are you drunk?
Huh?
Are you drunk?
Are you drunk? I ride motorbikes myself, mate. Don't be talking like that. You weren't round it. I'm furthermore, 1 second, let me pull over. Come. Yeah, go on. I ride motorbikes myself, so what's the problem?
You can't cross
Yeah, I
me.
don't care about this camera
No.
bullet. I don't. I did cut across you. I cut across the car in front of you, not in front of you. There's a difference. Yeah. I did cut across you. I cut across the car in front of you, not in front of you. There's a difference. Yeah.
Quarter of a mile, merge onto M62.